And good evening. Thanks for joining us here on CNET. Ryan Breton with your Campus Weather Service forecast. First, we're going to start with a look at temperatures that we are expecting over the next several days. The average high for this time of the year is in the upper 40s to near 50, and there are only 1 or 2 days where we will be around there. And the big story heading into next week is that Arctic air is going to return to much of Pennsylvania, even though many of us are tired and sick of winter. Taking a look at our time lapse today, this tells the story pretty well. Looking out at Mount Nittany, it was a cloudy and dreary morning, but as we went through the afternoon, the sunshine came out, and even though the temperatures aren't that warm, it still feels quite nice with the sunshine pretty strong relative to what we saw earlier in the winter. Temperature-wise around the state, this also shows the story quite well. Many places reporting sunshine at this point, and we're 43 degrees here in State College, 51 in Pittsburgh. The clouds have held on, though, down through southeastern Pennsylvania, and this is where we have temperatures mainly in the middle part of the 40s. In terms of what we're dealing with on the broader scale picture, there is a storm system down here to our south that we are missing. It's heading out to sea, high pressure dominating the map here during the day today, but there is another system back out here to the west, and this one quickly going to come in and bring some precipitation to the region later tonight into the day tomorrow. Now, it won't be particularly heavy, but we are going to watch for some areas of some freezing drizzle and some light freezing rain late tonight and into the first part of tomorrow. Notice that by 3-4 a.m. the clouds are in here, and then these pink areas are where the model here is indicating that we may have some light freezing drizzle and light freezing rain tomorrow morning, so there may be some slick spots. And then heading into tomorrow afternoon, we will have scattered showers and perhaps even a few downpours moving through parts of western Pennsylvania tomorrow afternoon. So for tonight, the clouds increase. There may be some patches of freezing drizzle out there with low temperatures down into the 20s. During the day tomorrow, again, a couple of slick spots are possible, especially in the valleys during the morning. Otherwise, clouds and a few showers for the course of the day with temperatures rising to near 40 degrees. In terms of that icing, this is one solution to what we may be seeing here. Some patches of freezing rain, especially in the valleys, may lead to some slick spots during the morning hours tomorrow, so we may even be seeing that a bit here in central PA. Beyond that, the big story heads into next week after a bit of a mild weekend here with temperatures on Saturday climbing into the 50s. This Arctic air is going to settle down and return to much of the eastern half of the nation, so it's going to turn very cold here later in the weekend and into much of next week. Temperatures may be running anywhere between 15 and 20 degrees below average. You can see that here on the 7-day forecast. Showers quite damp tomorrow, highs only near 40. A partly sunny day on Thursday. There might be just a sprinkle or shower, highs in the low 40s. Turning warmer here Friday, Saturday, highs in the low 50s, and then the cold weather really comes in during the beginning of next week. That is my latest forecast for now.